Hi, my name is Brian Bodette, and I'm with Truck Center Companies in Omaha, Nebraska. We have a 5th generation Freightliner Cascadia behind us here, and we're going to put this vehicle into maintenance mode for the brake system. Now, when you get into a 5th generation Cascadia, the first thing that you're going to notice that instead of having two air manifold tractor trailer knobs, you've got electronic park brake valves. The reason why we have a maintenance mode is because of a safety feature that's built into the truck. If you were to get out of this vehicle, either by opening the door or getting out of the seat, the park brakes in this truck are going to set automatically. So if you need to do an inspection on the vehicle or you're doing work on the vehicle and you need the brakes released while you're out of the vehicle, you can put the vehicle into maintenance mode so the brakes don't set automatically when you get out. The first thing that we need to do to put the vehicle into maintenance mode is to build up full air pressure in the truck. Below 100 pounds of air pressure, this will not work. So with your foot held on the foot brake, release the parking brake. You'll get a warning message on the dash that says to engage the parking brake. Then push and hold the yellow knob again and shut the ignition off. Now when we let go of this, it will be in maintenance mode. And you'll see a display on the dash that says maintenance mode is activated, rollaway intervention system disabled. To take it out of maintenance mode, you do the same steps in reverse. So if you start the truck, press your foot on the foot brake, release the park brakes, press and hold the park brake button, and shut the key off. Then you can set the park brake, and when we go back to the screen, that message is gone. There's also a safety feature. If you're planning on just driving the vehicle away after you've put it into maintenance mode, the truck will put itself or take itself out of maintenance mode automatically once the vehicle hits 18 miles per hour. Thanks for watching our video. We'll put printable instructions in a link in the comments. These instructions are also available in section 14 for the brakes section on your owner's manual. If we could ever be of service to you, please feel free to reach out to us. My name is Brian. I'm with the CX department at Truck Center Companies in Omaha, Nebraska.